The new Premiere update utilizes advanced AI assistance to drastically reduce the amount of time you spend meticulously scouring through your edits, alongside several other powerful new features. The first new feature is that if you click this magnifying glass up here, you can search your footage. You can look for specific sounds, images, and even words you've said, among other things, without having to search manually. Just describe what you want to find in the search panel and you'll save time. For example, let's type in Premiere. And here it shows you all the clips, audio, or images related to or that directly mention this word. Interesting? Also, with the Find Similar Frame option, you can quickly locate visually similar clips to identify alternative shots or related assets, without having to scroll and search manually. Another interesting feature is that now you can search for and censor words automatically. You can do this in the text panel, and from here you can mute or censor unwanted audio in bulk, such as swear words or confidential names, easily. You can customize the words you want to censor, cover them with a beep, a horn, or another sound effect, even one that you have uploaded yourself. Then you have the new Adobe Stock panel. Here you can easily discover, license, and import more than 52 million videos from Adobe Stock, including over 92,000 free clips. All of this directly into your project. These are the new features included in this update. There are a few more, but these are the most important ones you should know about. So that's it. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and I don't remember. What else?